Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jeshwant Dasri and my friend Vamsi Krishna Reddy. We are going to present about natural language processing application in different areas. So, coming to my first slide. So, NLP is all about making machines understand process and even respond to human language. Just the way we communicate with each other, the influence of NLP has quietly but powerfully speed into almost every industry you can imagine: healthcare, finance, customer service, and legal system, e-commerce, and many more. In today's presentation, we walk through how NLP is shaping these industries, the key techniques that power it, and where the future is heading. Next slide. Like Introduction to NLP. NLP is basically a specialized branch of artificial intelligence that help computers read, understand, and even generate human language. Imagine giving instruction to the computer not in code but in the natural language and it actually understanding you. That's magic of NLP. So its main purpose is to bridge the communication between us humans and machines. Initially, NLP efforts were quite basic starting around 1950s with simple machine translation projects. Over the years, NLP evolved from rule-based systems where strict grammar rules were encoded to statistical models and now to deep learning, where neural networks help computer grasp complex patterns in language. So this evolution is the reason why we have AI models can write stories, answers customer service queries, and even diagnoses medical conditions. So next slide, we have key NLP techniques. Let's now look into some of the key techniques that make NLP powerful. Tokenization is a process of breaking down text into smaller units like word or phrases, and lemmatization goes to step further by reducing words to their root format, like converting running to run, parts of speech, tagging help the system understand grammar by identifying whether a word is noun, verb, adjective, which is crucial for understanding sentence structure. Named entity recognition is another core technique where the AI detects the names, places, or organization with a sentence. Think of when Google automatically highlights the flight numbers or dates from your emails that any are working. Sentiment analysis helps systems read between the lines to detect the emotional tone of a text widely used in marketing. So finally, machine learning translation has made massive strides, especially with transformer-based models like BERT, ChatGPT, and now power tools like Google Translate also. So like all these four of them make NLP. Those are the key techniques like tokenization, NER, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. So coming to next slide. NLP in healthcare. So the main motto of NLP, we are discussing the applications of NLP. So in the healthcare sector, NLP has already begun to make a significant impact. One of its key applications in the analyzing medical records, doctors often to sit through unstructured notes written during consultation. But NLP systems can extract relevant information and summarize patient histories automatically, saving valuable time. Furthermore, AI models assist in predicting diseases by correlating symptoms and analyzing patterns in vast amount of medical data. Some systems even help in early detection of serious diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Virtual health assistants such as Babylon Health use NLP to interact with patients, offering guidance and basic medical advice based on symptoms. So, moreover, NLP plays a crucial role in processing clinical trial data and medical research literature, helping researchers identify potential treatment and drug discovery opportunities faster than ever before. So, like in NLP, we can do disease prediction, we can interact, we can has like patient interaction with the data, and we can also we can also analyze by using the medical records. So this is the main application of NLP in the healthcare. Coming to next slide, NLP in finance. So the finance industry is the another area that has been heavily influenced by natural language processing. Sentiment analysis is used here not just for customer service, but for market prediction. Financial institutions analyze new articles, social media posts, and financial reports to forecast market trends. NLP also aids to fraud detection by analyzing transaction patterns and flagging unusual activities. Automated report generation is another game changer. AI model summarizes lengthy financial statements and reports, helping analysts quickly extract useful insights. So by using the given data, so it can extract the data what we need. So many banks and financial service companies also integrated NLP powered chatbots to handle customer queries such as checking account balances, processing loan requests, and guiding users through investments, reducing the workload on human agents significantly. So all these make the finance industry, make the NLP more efficient to work, and like so NLP has more applications in finance. So coming to the next slide, NLP in customer service. So when it comes to customer service, NLP has become indispensable. We have all interacted with chatbots or virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Like we are very familiar with those things. So these systems rely heavily on NLP to understand our commands and respond appropriately. So NLP also plays a behind the scenes role in email management by automatically categorizing emails based on urgency and sentiment, ensuring the customer support teams address critical concerns promptly. In the call centers, speech to text systems transcribe conversations in real time and perform sentiment analysis, providing agents with real time feedback. So NLP also helps in personal customer experiences by tailoring responses based on the customer previous interaction and the preferences of the customer. So like all those significantly boost the customer satisfaction by making the customer service very good. So all these are examples like chatbots, email, and speech to text make the customer service more efficient to the prior like what we have in the before one. So coming to the next slide, NLP in e-commerce. So like we usually everyone every day came across the e-commerce websites, and like how everything is going on nowadays, and like NLP is a transforming e-commerce platforms as well. So one of the most visible application is personalized product recommendation. By analyzing a customer search history, reviews, and interactions, platforms like Amazon suggests products tailored to individual preferences. And also we know like by using the cookies and caches, so like what NLP is like it used to give the like preferences for the customers and recommendations for the customers, like whoever they want to watch some of the movies in the Netflix, whoever they're going to shop something in Amazon or Flipkart. So NLP also helps in maintaining the authenticity of online reviews by detecting and filtering out fake or spam reviews. Another interesting application is conversational AI for shopping assistant. Also, for example, chatbot can recommend products, answer queries, and even guide user through the checkout process, making online shopping seamless. So, coming to all other e-commerce websites make use of NLP nowadays, and it made a very big vast change in the e-commerce industry. So lastly, with the rise of voice assistants, NLP is optimizing voice searches. Users can now place orders and simply by saying, Alexa, order coffee pot, Alexa, order me a bike, Alexa, order me a Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, making these shopping experiences hands-free and more intuitive. So I'm done with this. So like my friend is going to explain. My friend, like now I'm going to give to my friend Vamsi Krishna Peddi. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Hello everyone, I am Vamsi Krishna. I am going to continue the presentation. Let's start with the NLP application in legal industry. As we know that the legal industry is well known for its complex documentation and lengthy contracts, and also it is benefiting from NLP. AI-driven tools helps lawyers by analyzing the summarizing contracts and identifying the various keys, clauses, and various obligations and potential risks, saving the hours of manual reading. NLP also speeds up legal research by scanning various databases to retrieve the various relevant case laws and precedents. Tools like ROS intelligence are already providing such services. In intellectual property law, NLP helps by performing various patient analysis, ensuring trademarks are unique, and spotting copyright infringements. By automatically tracking various changes in policies and regulations, and NLP helping them stay updated and compliant. Well, coming to the next slide, NLP in social media and marketing. NLP is heavily embedded in social media and digital marketing. Various companies use NLP to perform their social listening, which tracks various people are saying what about their brands, and it's identifying the emerging trends on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, like any social media apps. It also helps with various brand reputation management by analyzing customers' feedback on the trademarks and various online reviews and enabling companies to proactively address negative sentiments. Another remarkable application is AI generated content, where tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can automatically create their product descriptions, advertisements, and even blog posts also. NLP also plays a role in combating information by detecting fake news and misleading content, especially on social platforms where information spread rapidly. And coming to the another application in NLP, NLP in education. In education, NLP is making learning more accessible and effective because of AI-powered tutoring systems, which providing their personalized learning experiences and addressing each student's strengths and weakness. NLP also enables automated grading, especially for essays and written assignments, and giving students instant feedback and reducing the workload on teachers. NLP translation tools have made global learning possible by breaking down language barriers, allowing students from different backgrounds to access educational content. Moreover, NLP is assisting students with learning disabilities. For instance, speech recognition and tools help students with dyslexia by converting spoken content into written text and making learning more inclusive. NLP makes students' life easier. Well, coming to the another most important application in NLP, NLP in recruitment and HR processing. NLP is reshaping how organizations handle recruitment and human resources. Resume screening tools now automatically match candidates' resumes with job descriptions and significantly reducing hiring time. NLP can also analyze the employee feedback and survey responses to measure the employment sentiment, helping HR teams address concerns and improve the workplace of the model. During these interviews, AI-driven tool access candidate responses and analyzing factors like confidence, relevance, and even one of the tone voice. Another important application in bias detection. By standardizing candidate evaluation, NLP helps reduce unconscious biases in hiring decision, promoting diversity and fairness. And one more important application in NLP in cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, NLP helps organizations stay ahead of threats. It plays a crucial role in spam detection by filtering the various phishing mails that often tricks and track the users into clicking malicious links. NLP also processing the cybersecurity reports and threat intelligence feeds to identify potential security breaches. Furthermore, misinformation detection techniques help platforms verify the credentiality of news articles and public information. And finally, NLP assists in fraud detection, especially in the financial sector, by analyzing patterns and fraudulent transaction and flagging suspicious activities. And well, I am going to discuss about challenging of NLP. Despite its impressive capabilities, NLP faces several challenges. And one more thing is data privacy. It is a major concern here, especially since AI systems often process sensitive information, including personal health records and financial data or private conservations. Another issue is bias in AI models. Since these models learn from existing data, they often inherit various sociological biases, which can lead to unfair outcomes. Computational limitations are also significant. And training the large models like ChatGPT 4 requires massive amount of data, and it is very little bit complex and computation power, which not all organization can afford. Moreover, NLP struggles with linguistic diversity, especially with low resource languages and dialects. This restricts its global applicability and effectiveness. Now let's talk about future trends in NLP. Looking ahead, several trends will shape the future of NLP. Explainable AI is becoming a hot topic here as developers work to make AI models more transparent, helping us understand why they make certain decisions, and multimodal NLP, where systems process not just text but also images and voice over together, is expected to enhance real-world applications, making AI more human-like. Advanced conversational agents will also emerge capable of understanding the various contexts deeply and delivering emotionally intelligent responses. Lastly, with the progress of quantum computing, researchers anticipate significant breakthroughs in NLP, potentially allowing us to process and understand the various languages at unpredicted speeds. And final talk about conclusions and question answers. In conclusions, NLP is not just a technical concept, but a powerful tool that is reshaping the industries from healthcare and finance to education and cybersecurity. It makes machines better listeners, readers, and even writers. While there are challenges related to bias, privacy, and computational cost, the future holds exciting possibilities, especially with the rise of exemplar AI and multimodal systems. Thank you all for your attention, and I would be happy to take any question you want. Thank you.